3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So on the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Follow. 5, 6, 7. You're gonna give her 1.5 right. Open on the slot. 1. Forward. 2. Palm up. 3. Step forward. Elbow comes up. 5. Break it to the left hand. Right turn. 6, 7. Now we're gonna catch the left hand. Open up. 1. Step aside. 2, 3. We're gonna give her broken left in the left hand. Right hand parallels. 5. Salsa step. 6, 7. From here we're gonna bring her forward on 1. On 2 we're gonna pull with the right. Left hand goes down and step aside. 2. Sorry, left hand goes over the head. Now we're gonna bring her forward. Left hand breaks. 3. Now this hand is going to drop to turn her on 5, 6, 7. Now on 8, I want her to step forward. 8. Now I'm going to step on 1 as I start turning her on that right leg. 1. Now on 2, I'm going to bring her forward as I step back. 2. We're going to step in place. 3. Guys, turn left. 5. Backtrack off the slot. 6, 7. Now I'm going to step under the head. 1. Turn to the left on 2. We're going to go over the head on 3. Turn to the right. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. So it'll be 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body knee. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. Over 1. Turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Broken left. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a right turn. Forward 1. Turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now 8. We're going to step forward with the right foot. 8. We're going to turn to the right on 1. 1. Step forward on 2. Back on 3, 5, 6, 7. And we'll do another 1.5 right. Forward on 1. Turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.